Alright, here we have a Kerr Street Railroad crossing here in Salisbury, North Carolina. As you can see, I can prove this because I saw there's a NS 4716 down this way. Just stopped right here. Yep. So here are the first signal over down this way, which means I can carefully cross here at the side of a road. So the first signal, it is Safe Train Base. The gate mechanism is made by Safe Train. Here we have Norfolk Southern Emergency Information. As you can see, dial number is 715-290-M. There you have the lights are Safe Train 12 by 24 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs in them. As you can see. And the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights. And the bell on top of the signal is a Safe Train Type 3 electronic bell. And here I have the second signal. I'm not gonna go over there because this is busy road. Yeah, it's busy road, but it's still pretty breezy. I'm not gonna cover with that, but show me. So this is the second signal over here. It's 4 gate masts to make sure cars are not gonna cross the street, cross the road before train passes, which sucks. So here I have a Safe Train base, Safe Train gate mechanism, and Safe Train 12 by 20 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs. And here is the third signal. It has Safe Train cantilever as well. And the Safe Train 12 by 24 inch lights. And the overhead lights are Safe Train. And the gate lights over there is Safe Train base, Safe Train gate mechanism, and Rico LED gate lights. And then the fourth one, the fourth gate mast. Oh shoot! Train's coming. Sorry about that. I had to finish the tour. So the fourth gate mast signal has a Safe Train base as well, and a Safe Train gate mechanism. And there's no lights in this fourth signal, but the crossbuck. And the gate lights on top of it is Energy, or I guess Rico LED gate lights. So yeah. Wow, that is a short train. That's the one engine I have ever seen. That's really intensible. So yeah, here I have Kerr Street. Oh, there we go. So here I have a Kerr Street Railroad crossing in Salisbury, North Carolina. Over and out.